Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to have some nice cold beverages and in an all-in-one solution. This is great for a home bar, it's great for an RV, it's great for a game room, or if you are basically going to be traveling and you want to bring something with you, maybe you're going to have an extended stay at an Airbnb or something. And it is an ice maker water dispenser. This was sent over by a company called Antarctic and it's really, really cool. Give you an idea, here it is. Once you open it up, it's going to be all ready and set up. All you're going to have to do is plug it in and then go ahead and put in the removable base here, which is just connected via magnet, and it's going to catch any of the water that may fall in there, so that way it doesn't get on your countertops. When you do unbox it, go ahead and wait about 24 hours just to make sure it's upright, so that way all the cooling fluids settle and get all nice and even before running it, so you don't damage the condenser itself. Now, it doesn't take up a lot of room. So like I said, if you're bringing this in an RV or you're setting it up in a little counter of a home bar, it's going to be about 8¼ inches in width. It's about 17¼ inches in depth and only about 15½ inches in height. Now, the back side of it is where you're going to fill up the tank. Very easy to go ahead and remove. It just pulls straight out. As you can see, there is a max in min line. One of the nice things about this as well is if you choose, you can also fill it up straight in the top, so you don't have to remove it if you don't want to. It gives you two versatile options. Now, there is a reservoir in the bottom part that does hold water, so when it comes time to put away for storage, there is a drainage plug on the bottom. You can simply unplug that, let it fully drain out over the sink or outside, and then it's going to be good to go until the next time you need to use it. Now, another nice thing I like about this is it has right here at the top a nice little viewport. That's going to be able to show you how much ice you have in the one side, and you can actually watch it make ice as well, which is just really, really nice. Now, the whole top does come off. It just slides off the back, which allows you to clean the internal mechanisms if you wish, or if they get dirty. Definitely recommend cleaning those once it arrives. Just get rid of any manufacturer dust or anything like that. As far as ice protection, it's going to make two different sizes. You're going to have the smaller bullet size or the larger bullet size. Basically, you have a touch screen here on the side. Just go ahead and touch the top, and that will turn on and off the ice making mechanism. Then you have your large or your small ice button, and then you're going to press the bottom button to go ahead and dispense. And then once you're done dispensing, press it again. Now, it does make 9 cubes per run, so it does make a lot of ice. About every 8 minutes, going to be dumping that ice into the container here. As far as ice storage, it's about 1.1 pounds worth of ice that it will actually store in here. So you're going to have plenty to make multiple glasses out of it, which is great for, like I said, if you're needing something extra for like a party, or if you're just wanting it in a game room or something. Now, the mechanism here on the back, the tank, that's going to hold 3.3 liters of water. Obviously, that needs to be bigger because it also has a nice little water dispenser here on the side. So simply, once again, you're going to tap the button, and as you can see, it's going to dispense the water. Once you've got it to what you want, go ahead and tap it again, and it will turn off. Very easy to utilize. And then also the water is nice and cold. So unlike some of the other dispensers out there, this is making that water nice and cold and refreshing. So you don't even need ice if you don't want to. But then if you do want to add the ice to it, go ahead and just once again hit that dispenser button, and it will go ahead and start turning the mechanism. Like I said, you can watch it from up above. Overall, it's very, very useful. It's not loud at all when it is running. One of the aspects I love about it, it's very, very quiet. It doesn't take up a lot of counter space. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great water dispenser / ice maker all in one, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.